What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name's Brad and this is Be Modified. So as you guys seen in the last video, we went ahead and stripped out most of the interior out of the S10 here, or Sonoma I mean, same difference. The only thing we have left to take out is the dash, as you can see right there. Went ahead and pulled the door panels off real quick before I started this video. So today, probably going to focus on trying to get the dash out. And then over here, I got my carpet that we pulled out of the truck. Now I know in the last video I said that I was going to throw this away and just buy a whole new piece, but I did not realize how expensive these pieces of carpet are. So as you can see, I've already started vacuuming some of it. I'm going to continue vacuuming the rest of it, and then I'm going to use some Purple Power in my pressure washer and see how clean we can get this thing. Now before we get started on all that over there with the carpet and the interior of the truck, I just want to say that I know I've said that we're probably going to V8 swap this truck, but doing a lot more research that I've done here lately, I found out on these particular years of S10s, because it's got the fuse box there and the ECM over here, you pretty much have to keep all the factory wiring plus whatever wiring you need for your V8 swap. And you know, even if we go with carbureted, it'd be pretty simple, but as you guys can see, all of the factory wiring harness in this truck has been cut out. Now I still have it here. I went ahead and routed it all around to where it's supposed to be. The fuse box I put back in the garage, but I do have it. I found out where all my wires need to splice into. I even have the ECM, so everything's cool. I have it all to rewire and make this truck run again. But because I have to have all of this plus whatever comes with my V8, I'm just thinking about trying to find a donor engine for the truck, and then maybe we can get this one finished and move on to another S10 that better fits a V8 swap. So basically right now I'm just waiting on a couple guys to get back with me on the marketplace about a couple parts trucks that I could go ahead and pull the engine out and put right into this truck, switch everything over part for part, matches 100%. I'm hoping that they get back with me so I can buy one of those. If not, we might still V8 swap it, but right now it's just kind of up in the air on that, guys. I know it would be a lot more appealing to V8 swap it for resale, but I really don't want to get into that much money with what all is required on this particular model of S10 or Sonoma. So that's why I'm probably going to go ahead and try to find a stock engine, and then once we get this truck done, maybe we can get into another S10 that we will V8 swap. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Alrighty guys, so now that we've got it all vacuumed clean, we're gonna go ahead and take our Purple Power, soak it all down, let it sit in for a little while, and then we'll pressure wash it off. Hopefully this will make the carpet look new again. Just go ahead and soak everything down. I want to get it covered really well. That way this stuff does its job, performs very nicely. What would happen if I put it over on stream? Yeah, we better stick with spray. Let's go through here, spray everything down, especially the really bad spots. So that's what's most important here. We want to get that, we want to get all these stains out. I can already tell hand's gonna get tired quick pumping this spray bottle. These are the ones I'm really worried about it. Hopefully it really works on that stuff. Hit these heavy areas with the stream, and then we'll go through and mist the rest of it. Just make sure you get it all covered really well. You don't want to miss any spots. Hopefully this will work. I got a lot of faith in it. All right, now we'll let that sit in, get our pressure washer out, and spray it all clean. Probably run some soap through our pressure washer with it, and then we'll rinse it out with some regular straight water through the pressure washer. Hopefully that'll be good. All right guys, So while we're waiting on that purple power to soak into the carpet, that way we can pressure wash it clean, we're gonna go ahead and see if we can't get this dash pulled out of the truck. So the first thing I think I want to do is remove that screw there, and there's a couple of them holding this trim down right here on either side of the steering wheel. So we'll get these 3 bolts removed, and then we can pull this part of the dash off. All right, there's those 3 screws. Now I should be able just to pop this right off. Gotta be careful because it is cracked here and there. Not real sure how we're gonna fix that yet. Okay, so I'm wondering, it's been a long time since I've taken one of these S10s apart, guys. I think I'm gonna have to pull this off first, but it's probably got a couple more screws down underneath here. It does, it has 2 more. Oh, we'll get down here and see if we can't get those off. I forgot you got to take this trim piece off underneath the steering wheel before you can take the actual dash off. It's so much different from my Silverado. Alright, there's one. Alright, there's the other one. Okay, now we can peel this off. Oh geez. Never mind, we still got more. I'm really bad about remembering how to take certain vehicles apart. Apparently this whole thing's got to go too. So we finally got the trim piece off of underneath the steering wheel, and I totally forgot how stupid they put these trucks together. This whole thing that is all the way up underneath there, hiding all the wiring, has to come off first, and then you can finally pull the trim piece out from underneath the steering wheel. But now, trying to get the rest of the trim off from underneath the dash here, and it appears that somebody's homemade wiring job is just holding everything up. I got a lot of stuff I'm gonna have to remove, it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish pulling this trim piece off the bottom, and then we should be able to start working on the actual dash itself. Get these screws out of here. There's gonna be one in the back somewhere, probably. Maybe not. We got lucky on that one. Just throw that right there for now. It's probably all gonna get repainted anyway. I don't know that I'm gonna keep the gray. I know I talked about wrapping it in felt. I'm just not too confident with taking that felt and wrapping it down over this edge and into these spots and all throughout here. I just don't know that I can make that all one piece because I've never done it before, and I'd hate to spend a lot of money and just screw it up, because that would be a total waste. So let's go ahead and just keep on getting after it, guys. Alright guys, so now that we got the dash pulled all the way out of the truck, it did take me a little while, I'm not gonna lie. I actually spent about 2 hours doing this. So that gave us plenty of time for the purple power to soak into the carpet. Some of you were probably wondering, how in the heck did it take you 2 hours to pull the dash out of a Sonoma, right? Well, the answer to that, guys, is this is the first one I've ever done. And if I would have known what I was doing, it would have been way faster, because it's really not that hard to do. You just gotta know what you're doing. So now we need to go back out there and get that carpet pressure washed. Alright, hook up our power, hook up our water, turn on the water. Let's go turbo. Alright, now we'll just put on our power. There we go. Oh yeah, we definitely got plenty of purple power on there. Yeah. Look how dirty it is already. Oh yeah, boys. We're getting it clean. Oh, turbo doing the job. Hi guys. Woo! I think it's doing a pretty good job, guys. You can see it's definitely taking a lot of the dirt out. I think I'm going to be really happy with the results we end up with here. Well, let's go ahead and keep getting after it. Woo. Dang. Well guys, it may not be 100%, but I think once it's all dry, it's going to be clean enough to go ahead and use in the truck again. Which is great because I really don't want to spend 150 bucks on some new carpet. And this will go good with the color scheme that we're going to plan on going with anyways. So I'm extremely excited to see how well this turns out once it's dry. So with that being said, guys, that's probably going to wrap it up for this video. Next video is probably going to be a little bit of something on the SS, because I got to address a little bit of issues we're having with the interior on that truck. So if you like today's content, just make sure you smash that like button, leave your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and just like that, we'll catch you guys in the next one.